Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Craigslist account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to delete your account, click on the account icon once again, and this will take you into your account page. Click on settings at the top, and now you will see the deactivate account button. Go ahead and click on it, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to deactivate your account. Click on the button which says click here to continue, and you will be asked to enter your account password, or click on the verification link that has been sent to your inbox. After doing so, you will be logged out from your Craigslist account and your account will be scheduled for deletion. After this, make sure not to log back into your account for at least 1 month and your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.